Hello students, I will explain you midpoint rule under the topic of numerical integration. Suppose we have the function y is equal to x square in the closed interval 0 to 8. ये हम न्यूमेरिकल इंटीग्रेशन के उसमें टॉपिक में कर रहे हैं, तो हमें सपोज y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर को इंटीग्रेट करना है. हमारा इंटरवल है 0 टू क्लोज इंटरवल है 0 टू 8. तो मिड पॉइंट रूल के लिए हमें यहाँ पर 4 रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करना होंगे. हम यहाँ पर 4 रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे. इस टाइप से. So I need to draw a rectangle starting a midpoint which is 0 to 2, that is 1, 2 to 4 is 3, 4 to 6 is 5 and 6 to 8 is 7. Okay, so the portion of the rectangle would be outside the curve. Portion of the rectangle would be outside the curve and the portion of the rectangle would be inside the curve. दोनों तरफ से हम इसको देख सकते हैं. So the midpoint rule is to calculate the area of these rectangle and approximate area is inside the curve. To calculate the area of each rectangle, we need to width of the rectangle which is delta x, हमने इसको delta x कहा, and height of the rectangle which is h of the function f of xi, suppose f of xi. Now what is delta x? So our delta x is b minus a upon n, close for interval 0 to 8. So here a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 8. So delta x is 8 minus 0 divided by 4, that is 2. So our delta x is 2. Now area of the midpoint rule is AM is equal to delta x into summation of I is equal to 1 to n, मतलब जितने इंटरवल होंगे वहाँ तक हम इसको लेंगे फंक्शन f of xi. तो एक जो लाइन हमने ड्रॉ की थी 0 2 4 6 एंड 8 इंटरवल, 0 से लेके 8 इंटरवल तक जो हमारे मिड पॉइंट्स हैं वो 1 2 3 एंड 5, 1 3 5 and 7. Okay, so now calculate the area using left hand point to choose 0, left hand point to choose 0, 2, 4 and 6, and if we choose right hand points then choose 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, this will be an over approximation for sum of 6 intervals, but here we have to calculate the area by midpoint rule, that is 1 3 5 7 between 0 to 8. So our area of the curve y is equal to x square is area is AM, we can say that this is delta x, f of 1 plus f of 3 plus f of 5 plus f of 7. Okay, and what is the value of f of 1? So AM is equal to delta x is 2, f of 1 is 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25 and 7 square is 49. So that is 2 into 50 plus 34, that is 2 into 84, that is 168. So our midpoint area of midpoint rule by area of midpoint rule is 168. Now we calculate its actual area. So calculate its actual area. So this is your simple definite integral a to b f of x dx, and this is 0 to 8 x square dx, that is integrate after integration x cube by 3, limit is 0 to 8, so that is at 8 cube divided by 3 minus 0 cube divided by 3, that is 512 divided by 3, so that is 170.67. so this is our actual value, and this is AM is 168 आया था हमारा. So this is our value by midpoint rule. Okay, now let us consider another example. Suppose your function is given here, f of x is equal to x cube in the closed interval 0 to 10 and sub interval n is equal to 5. Your sub intervals वहाँ given है, n is equal to 5. Now again we draw a curve. So x cube has similar curve as x square. This is h, इसको सीधा आना चाहिए, ये h, this is h. Okay, now again we draw here rectangles. And this is our width of h. So our line is 0, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and its midpoints are 0 to 2 is 1, 2 to 4 is 3, 4 to 6 is 5, 6 to 8 is 7, and 8 to 10 is 9. Now delta x is b minus a upon n, that is 10 minus 0 upon 5, that is 2. So delta x is width is 2. Now am is delta x. Formula for midpoint rule is I is equal to 1 to n, and here n is equal to, n is subinterval and subintervals are 5, f of xi. So this is 2 into f of 1 plus f of 3 plus f of 5 plus f of 7 plus f of 9, and after calculating this is 1 plus 27, cube of 3 is 27 plus 125 plus 343, 7 cube is 343 plus 9 cube is 729, and after calculating this is we get 2450. So by midpoint rule we get area under the curve x cube in the interval 0 to 8 is 2450. Now actual area is a is equal to 0 to 10 x cube dx, and that is x4 by 4 after integration 0 to 10, that is 10 to the power 4 by 4 minus 0 to the power 4 by 4, that is 10,000 divided by 4, and that is 2500. So this is our actual area, and this is the midpoint rule area. So midpoint rule is very good approximation to find area and estimate the value of definite integrals. Okay, thank you so much.